Now again, if you want to change the case, okay, suppose font name, so here go select text and go here and select from any text if you want. Okay, so you can change the font style. This is the font style. You will see the different font style from A to Z categories. See, you will see effect on the text. See different name available here. Okay, so you can use any name according to your requirement. Understand? So you can give the here different font style. Now second option is a bold. Okay, below the font style you can see bold, so you will get the text like this way, very black effect. Okay, so bold. Then second is the italic, means you will see the this is the straight text or a normal text, and this one is a some trace text is a some kind of, see, like this way. Okay, so this is the italic. Now next one is the underline, so you will see the underline of the text. See, you will see the, you will get the line below the text, so that is called underline. And different line if you can give. Okay, see here option available like this way. Okay, suppose, see, first select the text. See, remember one thing, when you apply any format on a text or in a Word document, first select that text. Okay, so without selecting text, you will not getting the effect on a text or a document. So be careful about first select the text and then option click on particular option. So first select text and again we will see the effect. See double line, see bold line, okay, dotted line. Okay, see different dotted line here, curve line. So you will get the curve line and you will get the more underline option. See, you will get the here, see different style available. Okay, so you will get the more option here. Suppose double curve line, single curve line, bold curve line. Okay, all the curve line here you will get them. So this is the underline option. Okay, now this is the strike option, means you will see that strike option. This is the style option. See, I'm telling here. See, you will see this is the cross mark. Okay, so this is the strike option. What this is the strike option. Now this one is a subscript and superscript. How it will perform? Suppose I am writing here H2O, but here how is text is, see, all texts are in a same line. Okay, but I want 2 is small like this, so click here 2 and see, so you will get like this way, H2O. This is the chemical the water equation. Okay, so H2O like this way. So you can use any text if you want like this way, so you can use the subscript. Now superscript, suppose if you want a square plus b square, but here how it is, right, this is all the same line, but we don't want the same line, we want the like a square angle. Okay, so select this 2 and use here x2 x square. Okay, so you will see the like b square and square format. Okay, so this is a superscript. What? This is the superscript. This is the superscript, and this one is a subscript. H2O is a subscript. Understand? So we will get the this kind of superscript and subscript. Now the third one option is like text. Okay, first select this text and you will click here. See, you will get the different styling format, text style. Okay, understand? So we get the this kind of text. The third one option is background color. So you will get the background color like this way. You can give the background color like this. You can select the any color from here. Understand? Now next one is color option. You can give the color, text color. See, particular color you can give, particular format you can give. Okay, like this way, and again you are giving the bold, so you will get this kind of very dark red color. Understand? So you can give the, this is the different option. Now suppose this reading option, but I want all the character wants in capital. This is the reading. So reading means So how we can do? So click here A and uppercase, select the uppercase, so you will get the reading like this way. Now second is this reading option I want in all character in a small letter, so click here and lowercase, so you will see the effect reading is a small option. Understand? Now next option will be what? Capitalize each word, means every character, every word has a first letter is capital. See, you will see in this all three letters, see, you will see effect the capitalize each word. See, E here in the first word E is a capital, second is a T is a capital, and third one is a E I is a capital. So you can use like this way. Now next option is the this two select, and again this is the toggle cases, so you will see the effect. Toggle cases means you will get the capitalize each word. Okay, see, small cases and the capital cases. This is the first one is capital small letter, and next one is a capital rate. So this one is a toggle cases. Understand? And now clear the formatting. See, you will see the clear the all the formatting. See, we'll click here any and write clear format, select this text and clear the formatting. Like here you are given all the colors. Okay, click, see here you will see the clear the formatting, select this and clear the formatting. Okay, so this is our clear the formatting concept. So font tab, font group is over. Okay, so we will see the next topic.